Oh boy, word problem. Guys, it's just as easy. You just look for the key words. There are 12 boys and 18 girls in Mrs. Cruz's science class. The students must form lab groups. Each group must have the same number of boys and the same number of girls. What is the greatest number of groups Miss Cruz can make if every student must be in a group? How many boys will be in each group? And how many girls must be in each group? Now, my brain is going because I see my key words. Remember those key words from before? All right, they are greatest number, and same number. Greatest number, same number, GCF. Greatest number, same number, GCF. So as soon as I see greatest number and same number, my brain is going GCF. So that GCF, I'm going to pull out. I've got 12 boys and 18 girls, and I'm going to pull out. What factor could I pull out? Well, let's look. They're both even. That means I can pull out a 2. Okay, so let's pull out a 2, and I'm left with 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Well, 2 goes into 6, but 2 does not go into 9. Okay, what's the next number? 3. 3 goes into 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 goes into 9, so I could pull out a factor of 3. All right, well, what's 6 divided by 3? Good, 2. And what's 9 divided by 3? 3, good. Anything else go into 2 and 3? Start with 2. Well, 2 goes into 2, but 2 doesn't go into 3. And nothing else goes into 2 except 1, so we are stuck. There's my doorstop. So what do we do? GCF is on the left. You got it. So these numbers right here on my left. Now, here's a cool little trick. See this? That forms an F. There's your GCF. So your GCF is 2 times 3, which is 6. Now, if you accidentally added and said 5, think to yourself, does 5 go into 12? No, it can't be 5. That way you know it's not going to be it. Okay, so we multiply 2 times 3 is 6. So that 6 tells me the greatest number of groups is going to be 6. All right, so I'm going to type in 6. Well, I'm writing, you're typing. Okay, so now at this point of time, I'm going to draw out my 6 groups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're my 6 groups. Now I've got 12 boys. So let me get my 12 boys. Okay, got my 12 boys, and we're going to put all 12 into these 6 groups. Now think, how many boys will be in each group? Well, let's do it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys, 7 boys, 8 boys, 9 boys, 10 boys, 11 boys, 12 boys. Well, how many boys are going to be in each group? That's right, 2. That means there are 2 boys are going to be in each group. Now, you didn't have to do out those little ticks or tallies. You could have just said 12 divided by 6 gives me 2. 2 boys are in each group. 2 boys, 2 boys, 2 boys, 2 boys, 2 boys, and 2 boys. All right, well, let's do the girls. All right, there are 18 girls. Now, I can come in here and do the tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 girls. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 girls, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 girls. Well, that's how many girls? That's right, 3 girls are in each group. 3 girls, 3 girls, 3 girls, and 3 girls. Well, did you have to do the tallies? No. You could just said 18 girls divided by 6 groups gives me 3 girls in each group. Okay, let's do another problem.